Hello, I'm Will with Their Theater Designs, and today we're showing you how to put your Eero Wi-Fi into 2.4 gigahertz only mode. This turns off the 5 gigahertz channel and allows you to hook up smart devices like Shark vacuums, pool controls, solar panels, smart bulbs, most smart devices that need the 5 gigahertz channel to be shut off. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. First things first, let's make sure you have the Eero app. If you don't have the Eero app, iPhones can download it via the App Store. And if you have an Android, use the Google Play Store. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the Eero app. And then on the very bottom right, we'll see the settings icon. Let's go ahead and select it. And then we're going to want to select troubleshooting. And on this page, let's go ahead and select My Device Won't Connect. And then over here, my device is 2.4 gigahertz only. Go ahead and select it. And then on the very bottom on this page, you see temporarily pause 5 gigahertz channel. So this is going to temporarily put it on pause. So it'll give you a 15-minute timer. So you have that time to go ahead and do what you need to do with your smart devices to connect. And if for whatever reason they don't connect, just watch the video again and restart the same process and you'll be good to go. And that's it. It was that easy. Now you're ready to hook up all your devices to your Eero Wi-Fi. Have a good one.